Welcome to the Department of Industrial Psychology and People Management. With me is a colleague of mine, Ms. Neo Mamatuba, and she lectures in our department, and she will tell you more about the Department of Industrial Psychology and People Management. Over to you, Neo.
Thank you, Prof. Those interested in a career in people management and development are attracted to UJ's Department of Industrial Psychology and People Management because in South Africa, it arguably provides the widest range and largest number of qualifications in human resource management, industrial psychology, and leadership. So, if you aspire to become an HR practitioner and eventually an HR executive, or consider a career in industrial psychology, also referred to as work and organizational psychology, either as a practitioner or a psychometrist or a psychologist registered with the Health Professions Council of South Africa, or if you're interested in becoming a leadership coach, then look no further. We offer qualifications from diploma and bachelor's degree right up to the doctoral level. Last year, we offered 155 different modules across UJ's 4 campuses. For students not able to attend classes on campus, we also offer dedicated online qualifications. Moreover, our department's 15 continuous education programs are clustered in 4 academies dedicated to leadership development, professional development, the human resource management, and vocational development. Our department's research output is impressive, and we host 2 prestigious academic journals, the SA Journal of Industrial Psychology and the SA Journal of Human Resource Management. What students value about our department is its open, inviting, and innovative culture. We go out of our way to support our students to be successful and able to thrive in the world of work. Choose UJ's Department of Industrial Psychology and People Management to explore the dynamic interaction between people and work. Looking forward to see you in our department.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.